Morning people, it's day 8 trying to join a wild duck family. See what these little quackers are up to. Not the best weather today, but there's a few ducks waiting for us. See if anyone else is coming before I chuck the seed down. We've got one baby swan come to join us. It's a quiet morning on the river, people. We'll check back on them at lunchtime. Morning, people. It's day 8 trying to join a wild duck family. Not looking like anyone's here, so usual. Give them a shout. There's Mrs. Martian. Looking like this is it for today. All the common mallards and a baby swan again. It's a quiet lunchtime on the river today. Afternoon, people, it's day 8 trying to join a wild duck family. Sun's just setting and it's dinner time on the river. Give the others a shout, but I've not seen them all day, so I'm not sure if they're coming. A few big handfuls of sunflower seed as normal. One of my mates just nearly ruining the whole shot with his leg. All the common mallards again. Not sure where the other group's gone. Dinner time complete. We'll see him in the morning.